Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you would like to see how I made this Hello Pumpkin Rhinestone Tumbler, grab your coffee, cozy up, and keep watching, because this one turned out so good. I'm starting off with a 20-ounce Hoggdle tumbler from Stainless Steel Depot. I taped off the bottom and the inside of the handle with painter's tape, then gave it a coat of Dixie Belle Bonding Boss. That helps the paint grip like a dream. Next, I pulled out my Angelus paint and just went for it, painting random stripes all over the cup. Total fall vibes. Before painting, I picked my rhinestone palette, Mocha Mousse, Mocha Blue Zircon, Neon Pumpkin, Enchanted Mocha Ivory, and Neon Onyx. Tell me that doesn't scream pumpkin spice and sparkle. Now onto the design. I actually found the original image on Etsy, but the lines were too thin. So of course I had ChatGPT thicken it up, and it even added a few extra touches. Not mad about that at all. I cut the stencil on my Cricut using Cricut stencil vinyl, weeded out the outlines, and filled them in with black acrylic paint markers. For most of the outline, I used SS8 Neon Onyx stones. For the lettering, I mixed in different sizes for a little extra dimension. You know, I love that texture pop. Once that was done, I started laying my foundation rows at the top and bottom. Then I worked my way through the middle, matching the rhinestone colors to the painted stripes. This part's fun because you can totally work in sections and see it come to life piece by piece. After finishing the main design, I filled in the rest by color, one shade at a time. For the handle, I actually took it off the turner so I can line up the stones perfectly along the edges. Then I wiped away any stray paint with a little acetone for that crisp finish. And here it is, the Hello Pumpkin Tumbler in all its cozy, fall-ready glory. If you decide to recreate this look or add your own twist, make sure you tag me. I love seeing your creations. And don't forget, you can save with my discount code, Tiana10 at Diamond Fire Rhinestones. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.